Okay, now you can throw it. That is definitely going on YouTube. That was such a girly throw, it was unbelievable. Yeah. Oh, dunk. That was a better one. Oh, good boy.